Homemade carrot cake? Not a problem.
Here's how we use some of our fresh carrots at SDSR. Famous carrot cake with buttercream frosting. Preheat your ovens to 350 degrees and grease your choice of a 9x13 or two 8-inch pans. First, mix the dry ingredients together. 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and half teaspoon nutmeg. Grab another bowl, we're not finished yet. 4 large room temp eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1/4 cup oil, 1 cup brown sugar, and 1 cup white sugar, then mix it all up. Now combine both wet and dry together to form a smooth batter. It's time to mix in 3 cups of washed, peeled, and grated carrots. Pour into your baking dish and place in the oven for about 40 minutes. Always check center to see if done. Let cool completely before frosting. Happy mixing.